Gang, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color. And this metallic cutie goes by the name of New Orleans. You guys, this color is giving Baps. It's giving 90s it girl. I'm just loving the way this color came out. So stay tuned because I can't wait to share.
People say I'm getting you.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game.
Mix it.
Lipstick game. Let's mix it up.
Alright, dolls, so before we jump into today's video, I just want to give a shout out to all my current patrons, all my new patrons. Thank you so much for the love and support that you show this channel month after month, and for the full recipe to this video, it will be on my Patreon. For a small monthly pledge of $5. You can have access to all my archive recipes and my future recipes. Of course, you guys know I'm starting off with my world famous base. You can grab that from Very Veelo Beauty.com, and this color is fairly simple. I'm going to be starting off with some gold Enigma mica, and I'm just going to take my rubber silicone spatula and I'm going to sweep that into that base really well until it is nice and incorporated. You want to always wear a mask because you don't want to inhale any of your color additives, and it's better safe than sorry. This stuff you do not want to inhale, so make it a practice to always wear your mask. I went ahead and added some more base because this color is going to be a satin color anyway, and I noticed that my color load of pigment was a little bit more than the base because I wanted to make sure that it was nice and pigmented. And the next pigment I'm adding in is the brown Oxide, and it's going to be really fun to see how the brown Oxide mixes in with that gold Enigma mica. It's going to give us this cute, really pretty, like antique bronze goldish color. It's really pretty. I got this idea from a Pinterest pen that I seen, and I was like, I have to make me a bronze lipstick. So here I am adding in some black Oxide because I really want to take this color from a lighter golden to more of a darker golden color, and it did just the trick for me. It came out so pretty. Like I mentioned before, you guys, this color is really simple, and that's all it is. So I already added my base, so from here I am done. I'm just gonna go ahead and prepare to load up my syringe, and that's that. So now that we got our bottle all filled up, you want to make sure that you're leaving 1 inch of space at the top so that the wand can go in effortlessly like so. And we have made New Orleans. Now I am going to be starting off by lining off my lips with a color that I made in the past. The recipe's on my Patreon. This color goes by the name of Cape Town. It's the perfect color for a liner. It is a very dark liner, but it is still brown. It's like a dark brown liner. And then I'm taking New Orleans, the color, the satin bronzy gold that we just made, and I'm just adding that right to the center. And I love that combo, man, oh man. So here's another combo for you guys. I'm just gonna take Cape Town, and not only am I gonna line my lips, but I'm gonna fill them in as well. So I'm gonna do a coat of Cape Town first, and then I'm going to take that New Orleans and kind of just pat it over, just giving it like this nice gold cast, and then I'm just going to kind of massage it into my lips, and then I'm going to place the Very Veelo Beauty Ultra Clear Shine lip gloss over it, and voila, this combo is so bomb. I look so regal, so queen-like. I just love it. It's giving like a golden chocolate bar. It's so pretty. Love, love, love the way that came out. As always, I want to thank you guys so much for allowing me to share my gift with you. This color is available on my website in wholesale and retail sizes. And until next time, thank you so much, guys, again for stopping by. I love you and stay blessed.